What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about batoning difficult hardwoods and the use of wedges. Now, I'm still preparing this wedge, and I'll get back to you in a little bit, but I just wanted to put a little note. When you prepare your wedge, it becomes a multi-use item, because then you could take the bark and prepare your bird's nest for starting a fire. So I'm going to get this wedge finished up and I'll get back with you. Alright, here's what we're working with today. Piece of cedar I've cut to make my wedge. I've cut it like that, so when it drives in, it'll start acting as a lever. Take and cut chamfer around the end so it doesn't split out on you. The wood we're going to be splitting today, blackjack, red oak. I'll put the scientific name in, but it's a real dense, got a bug hole in it, real packed dense wood. This particular piece was cut from what I affectionately call the Becker breaker tree. I've seen 2 BK9s, 1 BK7, and really surprisingly, a BK2 broke trying to baton this wood. My baton today is going to be made from the same tree because it's so dense. When you're dealing with dense woods, I always cut a wedge because I don't want to break my blade, and I'm sure you don't either. A little bit of science, I guess I'll give you. The reason I was surprised that it broke the BK2 is because unlike the BK7, BK9, and it's also broke condors. I think SE Inglis was broke. Reason why is because those blades are so long, so very long from the side, so it acts as a lever when you get inside and it starts putting pressure on the blade, bending it. It acts like a lever. Now, BK2 being so short, obviously if anybody's ever tried to bend or break something that's short, it's more difficult. So I was really surprised then. But let me get this camera adjusted and we'll see what we can make happen. Alright, here we are. I use a stump as my base because the ground is a little wet. Get my knife out here. Pack go lock. I think this will work. Yeah. Alright, just get into it. See how the go lock handles it. Yeah, that's some hard wood. Alright, it's putting a bend in the go lock. So what I'm going to do is add my wedge. It's right in a knot. I cut this wedge like this, like I said, to give a lever, but I may have to reshape it. Might be a little too steep. Yeah, it's a little steep, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reshape it and I'll get back with you. Okay, we're back, and I knocked the camera over. What I decided to do was, instead of spending all that time carving, is just baton my wedge down. That way I would have more wedges to add on top of it to drive through. should I need it. Anyway, we'll get on this here and get back at it. Alright, now see that right there is what's holding me up. The ledge. So let's take that ledge out real quick. Oh no, he's got a Mora. Love the smell of cedar. Now we got that ledge out, which should probably work. And that blade's bent. Yep, there it went. You see the different angle because it's a split way down. Wow. Look at that wood. There we go. Man. Oh wait, let's check out the condor. Seems still straight. Let's look at this wood. That's a tight grain. Man. See it twisted. Even though it's a little rotten, you can see right here, a little rotten, it still put a bend on that blade and hung up on the knots. But anyway, hope that's something you could take and put in your mental toolbox. Getting more rain again. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.